The chosen international business is Illy Coffee. Illy operate in the coffee industry and is widely recognized for the quality. Socio-economic and environmental issues are strongly embedded in the coffee trade and in the agricultural mass production, so Illy has its share of responsibility. The main environmental impacts come from the beans production and from the long distance between producers, roaster and consumers, deforestation and the use of fertilizer, transport and package. WWF pointed out that 37 of the 50 countries in the world with the highest deforestation rates are coffee producers. Coffee grows in tropical regions, in over 50 countries in Asia, Africa, South and Central America and the Caribbean. Most of them are listed as well as the poorest countries. Coffee is the world's second most tradable commodity after oil, and it is massively consumed in the rich countries, whereas a billionaire industry. The complexity of the supply chain, the low and volatile prices of green coffee prevent growers to obtain a sustainable and stable profit, tightening, even more, their lives. Low prices are dictated in the New York City market, benefiting only roasters who enjoy low prices in raw material and high profit. More than 25 million farmers, the majority of whom are smallholders with less than 25 acres of coffee land, find themselves in structural poverty. Edward Freeman theory focus in stakeholders of a business: shareholders, employees, community, financiers, suppliers, and the advantage of create a share value with them, prioritizing their relative contribution to the business. For Illy, quality and sustainability are inseparable, and its strategy to achieve quality is in strategic supply chain management to create share value with stakeholders. Furthermore, Porter and Kramer pointed out, the aim of create a shared value that benefit both business and society, for which it has created the Coffee University, that aim to share knowledge to every player from growers to consumer, addressing the contribution of every node in the final quality. Quality on the supplier's side depend on high quality of coffee beans, storage and transport to the roaster.
In words of Ernesto Illy, 50 coffee beans are needed for a perfect espresso cup. Only a bad one can spoil the whole cup.
Illy provide farmers with access to knowledge in agriculture, selection and business management in order to obtain the quality required by the company. Farmers in return obtain a 30% over the market price, leading with improvement in live condition, confidence in future and a commitment of growers with Illy values. Illy share its knowledge and expertise downstream the supply chain, shipping companies, own employees and keep down the chain, addressing the importance of the barista as a key role. The barista, who is often considered as a low-skilled profession and is poorly rewarded. Illy address the importance of the barista expertise in the final quality of the coffee. Illy offer training at the barista level in order to ensure the quality of the brew. Baristas, on the other hand, improve their skills, increasing their value in the work market. The last nod and decisive actor in the chain are the coffee lovers around the world, the final customer who will enjoy the quality in their cups. Illy, as well through its university, offer formation in order to provide final customers with knowledge about coffee world and to improve their ability to appreciate the quality.
In 2011, Illy obtained the Responsible Supply Chain Process certification, recognizing the practices on its supply chain and the quality of the relationships with its suppliers. The World Most Ethical Companies Award also recognizes the impact on the way business is conducted by fostering a culture of ethics and transparency at every level of the business.
Laudable and necessary are the particular initiatives, certifications and awards, but in my opinion only serve to mitigate some of the problems that the global coffee trade bring. Such a complex and unfair market need a wider solution acting in the real root of the problem, the low and volatile price of the green coffee, for which real agreement is required among coffee stakeholders in order to warranty stable and sustainable income for growers, which will lead with improvement in farmer communities and a more prosperous future. And our responsibility as consumers is to demand both quality and sustainable development for those suffering the negative consequences of the developed world.